What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I am back in Bend, Oregon. Just wrapped up running the Bend half marathon. Now I did this half marathon last year and I wanted to come back and do it again. It is a tough course, but that's why I wanted to do it. I wanted to challenge myself. And yeah, if you don't challenge yourself, you'll never know what you're capable of. So it was still fun and I had a great time. Now, last year it was sunny and warm. It was just a beautiful day. This year, a bit chilly and cloudy, but I did want to get in at least one hike while I'm here. And so that brings me to Steelhead Falls, which is about a half hour north of Bend. It is a short trail, but my legs are absolutely trashed, so I'm not going to do anything crazy. So that's why I picked this trail. And yeah, the trail goes alongside the Deschutes River and leads to a nice waterfall. Steelhead Falls is not a very tall waterfall, but I've seen pictures of it. It is very nice. So yeah, let's get going, guys. All right guys, so I'm almost to the waterfall, but there is a side trail here that leads right down to the banks of the Deschutes River. So yeah, let's go check out a close-up look of the Deschutes River. All right guys, I made it. Right in front of me, Steelhead Falls. Not a tall waterfall, but very beautiful with some mossy rocks exposed. And yeah, this is just a beautiful river. Very nice waterfall. Let's check it out. All right, guys, gonna wrap up the video. There you have it. Steelhead Falls, about a half hour north of Bend, Oregon. Short trail, but very beautiful. And I love how this trail is entirely alongside the Deschutes River. Like the video, share it, really helps me out. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more adventures in the Pacific Northwest. And I'll see you in the next video.